Dry. Stage after dry.
So the black currant tea leaves, the brownish particle stem stops.
But this one is also nice finish. This will grinding again?
Again separating.
Oh, okay. Separate. Ah, yeah. The flavor is coming.
So this is the final stage of the black tea. In this machine we are going to separate the stems and leaves by electrostatic force. Stem we are not using for the tea. This is the wastage we are using as a compost.
Okay.
So in the tea there is no wastage.
Everything is used.
Everything is used, yeah. So the leaves we have around 25 machines, sir. In the 25 machine we are grading 6 kind of black tea, 6 grades.
6 grades.
There is a different types. The different big leaves, small leaves, powder form, different size. 3 of them leaf tea, 3 of them powder tea. Leaf tea are light, powder tea are strong. Leaf
Like
tea is the best.
the green tea is the leaf tea.
Yeah, leaf tea. Like.
That's type of.
So after separation, we pack like this bag, 25 kilo bag. For Sri Lanka, the 80% tea we send to the Colombo tea auction to export. 20% tea we are sale here. So these in Colombo, different companies buy tea, like Lipton, Delmart.
So they buy from here and make their own marking.
Yeah, own marking and their own blending again.
So they again blend it.
They blend it, they put their name, and they export all over the world.
Okay.
So 80% export.
That's why most of the case your factory name may be not published in anywhere.
Correct. So the 80% export, 20% is sale here.
Yes.
This entire process will take 3 days time.
Yeah, because after fast drying, there is not more time.
More time here. So 5 kilogram tea leaves, we can produce 1 kilo of tea.
It's a lot of wastage. The moisture is enough.
Yeah, moisture.
More moisture. So after you dry
around 1 kilo around we want to if you use 5 kilo, it's 4 kilogram wastage. Stems, there is a dust, something, everything is wasted. So that's the wastage. So the 50% there is a moisture going on. So other part we are using as a compost.
But it will also the best finest tea.
Yeah, the best fine. And also we have everyday the tea for the tea there is no season.
Yes.
So then we can manage it.
Yes. Bluefish. Is that the?
Yeah, 1 minute.
Yeah, so many items. Yeah, okay.
So finally, these are the tea grades we produce in Sri Lanka. These two are the white tea, golden and silver. Natural sun dry, we use only the bud. Golden lips are drying sun dry 4 weeks. This is 2 weeks.
Okay.
Color wise, golden strong, silver lighter. You have to put 5 pieces in the teacup. For the boiling water, you can drink. Same leaves you can use 3 times.
This is also the
white
one. This is white one.
Golden and silver. Drying period only different, 4 weeks and 2 weeks. So this is the best in Sri Lanka and very expensive. It's good for heart, cholesterol, blood, bones, skin. This green tea is steaming and boiling rolling process. Green and white, no fermented. Green tea mostly is famous, can reduce the fat. It's a digestive tea. So these are the black teas, OPA, the best black tea, orange peco A grade. Orange color, peco tea name, the A grade, the best black tea. The big leaves are very, very light.
Okay.
And this
We
OPA.
found these 3 categories in everywhere.
Yeah. This is the cheapest
This is
one.
the
We're using
actual category we are finding in every
This kind of
store
you
also.
cannot find because we
And
mostly
this one is also fine. Green tea is all right, but I did never see this.
This is very expensive.
But I cannot find anywhere in this kind of tea.
So this is very light and this OP orange peco light, peco like a medium light. So these three kind of leaf tea, green and white, no milk, no sugar.
Okay.
And the BOP English breakfast tea.
This is everywhere.
The BOPF mostly strong
most
tea for the tea bag. And this is a dust one,
Dust
very,
one
very
is
fine,
very, very
powder
fine.
very strong. This is nice with milk and sugar.
Yes.
So 6 kind of black tea, 2 kind of white and green. All the tea come from same plant.
From this plant you are producing this 6.
Yeah, these 6 in the factory.
And
The
these
other 2
three is
factories
other.
will produce, yeah. So all under the Bluefield name.
Okay.
So these are the name. The powder form you can use milk and sugar, but leafy form no milk, no
No
sugar.
milk, no sugar.
These are the name. It's international standard tea.
Yes.
If you are here in your country, tea name will be never changed, but the company name will be changed.
Company name will be
Yeah.
changed, right?
So they have to mention these names in the boxes.
I found everywhere. That's
You-
very nice introduction session actually, because this is really rare. Right?
They are very rare, and also 100 gram around 20,000 Sri Lankan rupees, approximately around $70.
It's too much.
It's too much expensive. It's very expensive. That's why you cannot find everywhere.
Yes.
And also it's a medicinal purpose tea. Everybody, they're not going to buy this.